Today we read Jeremiah 32 through 34, and we're on day 228 of reading through the Bible in a year. Today feels like a building on or continuation of the theme of turning to God with problems instead of turning away from him because of them. Jeremiah takes his questions and doubts to God. Would you join me in responding with the hymn, Be Still My Soul? This song was written in the 1700s in Germany and translated to English in 1855. And it reminds me that troubles in this life are not new. But God is still the same. Be still, my soul, the Lord is on your side. Bear patiently the cross of grief or pain. Leave to your God to order and provide. In every change, he faithful will remain. Be still, my soul, your best, your heavenly friend. Through thorny ways, he leads to joyful end. Be still, my soul, your God will undertake to guide the future as he has the past. Your hope, your confidence, let nothing shake. All now mysterious shall be at last. Be still, my soul, the waves and winds still know his voice who ruled them while he dwelt below. Be still, my soul, when dearest friends depart, and all is darkened in the veil of tears. Then shall you better know his love, his heart, who comes to soothe your sorrow and your fears. Be still, my soul, your Jesus can repay. From his own fullness all he takes away. Be still, my soul, the hour is hastening on, when we shall be forever with the Lord. When disappointment, grief, and fear are gone, sorrow forgot, love's purest joys restored. Be still, my soul, when change and tears are past, all safe and blessed, we shall meet at last. So much wisdom in this song, I couldn't cut a single verse. But one line that stands out to me today is, your best, your heavenly friend, through thorny ways, leads to a joyful end. Sweet hope. Thanks for worshiping with me today. I am Debbie Byrd, and I'll see you tomorrow.